in this next part of the video, we'll go over the solution for homework chapter 13, 4.3, no? 4.3. So if we go there and open it, the thing with this problem is that, and we may not have covered it, is that, I mean, it's in the discussion of how to do a block, right? Is discussed in the chapter, so that's straightforward. But to quickly compute your ANOVA, you have to use the right ANOVA technique, no? So in this case, let's see. So first of all, let me copy so let's see. The problem says the Scholastic aptitude test contains 3 areas: critical reading, mathematics, and writing. Each area is scored in a 100-point scale, 800-point scale, and sample of SAT scores for 6 students are here. No, so 6 students are taking 3 different sections of the SAT. No, and then we're going to test for whether there's differences in the mean. So our null hypothesis again is going to be mean of reading and mean of mathematics and mean of writing are equal. No, so now let's see how what's the computation going to look like. The difference here is that because, whoops, let me go back here one more time and get the data. So I'm going to copy like we did before. I'm going to copy those, and then I'm going to switch over, and then I'm going to, in this case, create another worksheet, new worksheet, so we can put the data there. So the data is going to look like so. Again, you don't want to, let's see, student. I want to put the student there, and then this is critical reading. I'm just going to copy this down so that they're the same, and I'm going to delete the first row. No, just to be consistent. Okay, so I have the data done. Now, to compute your ANOVA, the thing is just to know there's several ANOVA routines, so it's knowing which one it is that you're going to use, no? So I go to the data analysis tools, and the one you want is the one that says ANOVA 2-factor without replication, right? This one will help you quickly solve that, right? So let's see how that works. So you run that, and then again, like you did before, you're going to tell it where the data set reside, and are you using labels? Yes, I'm using labels. I'm going to click labels. And what's the alpha? I'm taking it, the alpha is 3. Let's just check. Alpha is 5. Yeah, alpha is 0.05. So, okay, 0.05 is 5. And then where am I going to put my answers? So, okay, let's put the answers on maybe F1. No, we put the answers on F1, and then we click right. Now, here's the thing, no? So you have the rows and the columns. You just gotta make sure that we reading the right one. So what we're interested in is the columns, no? So here we are. The columns is on the different types of reading. So here we are, no? So what I'm interested in is the F test and the p-value corresponding to the columns. No? So let me see. It's gonna do this, right? And then the rest of here's the mean scores that you also might be interested in when you're making your interpretation. Okay, so let's see if I go back now and check the runs against the test. We see that, okay, my F statistic is 5.81, so that checks, and then my p-value is 0.021. There's a trailing decimal, but up to 3 points, so that checks. And then do I reject or not reject? Okay, I reject because my p-value is less than alpha, so I reject. And then you answer the rest of the question. The rest of the questions is just okay, what the mean test scores for the 3 sections are, and then these are the three sections meet scores. No, so you're just gonna take those and then complete them and then finish your interpretation. No? Okay, so hopefully that helps you in I guess this one, oh, it might have been because we didn't script it in class, it might have caused some issues as to which of the ANOVA routines you're going to be using for this particular problem. Okay, so I'll end it for now and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.